Hi guys, so today I have LDRS Creative's exclusive monthly kit to share with you guys. It is the Gone to Maui set, and they did sell these items free of charge from my review. Of course, all opinions are my own. And the links I'll have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. And again, the description box is just under the video title. You can click on the title, it'll expand. You can click on show more. You can click on the little triangle. It just depends on what you're using to interface with YouTube. It looks a little bit different, but all those links are there. And so what I have for you today are, with this exclusive kit, it is a bundle, so it is going to be the photopolymer stamp set with this cute, look at these little guys, and the die set. And this one will also have, I believe it's 12 toner sheets, the kind that you can foil with whatever kind of foiling system you like to use. That's kind of like the mink system, you know what I'm saying? Not the hot foil, like a foil press. That's a little bit different. But anyway, I've shown them in the past. The only thing is they are not in yet, so I don't have them to show you. So this is the sample I have right now. But it will have, I think, 3 sheets of 4 designs. And you can see them there, in the product page. It'll show you the papers that come with it. So today we're going to focus on the stamps and the dies. So again, there's the little die set. What I think is really cute with the little tiki hut, the main little hut here, is that it has that little window that it cuts out too. You know, that'd be a really cute shaker. All you have to do is put a little acetate behind there, and you can have a little shaker with your little items. But we have here today, Gone to Maui. How cute is that? Little totem pole. Oh my gosh. And look at the little iguana. I'm assuming, or lizard, I guess an iguana, right? Super cute. Excuse me. We have our little flamingo. She has her little skirt on there. I love this little leaf. How cute is that? And then, of course, the dies are generally everything that's, a little image here. So we'll talk about that in a minute. But look at the little turtle in his little hat. He has his little drink. So cute. A little koala. Looking creature. I hope I'm correct on that, right? I mean, it looks like a koala. Yep. And then we have, you are my type. Oops, I mean my type of person. That's so cute. The little feather there. Little tiki. Oh, little torch there. How cute. Little drink. And then, of course, tiki hat. Look at the little pineapple, you guys. And we have our little guy over here just chilling. How cute is that? And what's cute about that, I mean, he looks like a tiger to me, but I mean, you can dress him up or color him in like a little cat too. Look at that little guy. And then again, the dies for all of the little like characters and the little tiki and everything. So I think what we're going to do today is some stamping, some coloring clearly, and just put together a cute, simple little card. I will be right back. So I have a piece of paper. It's the kind that you would use for alcohol ink markers. So I just cut it down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I'll probably cut that down from there, maybe even use a die. I'm not sure right now, but for now, I just want to do my background, which is going to be the little tiki, and then maybe I'll put, the little characters around that. So I want to center everything around that. So I'm going to take this guy, again, photopolymer stamps. Smell amazing. I always feel like theirs have like a little chocolatey smell to them. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I'll pop that there. Oh my goodness! The little pineapple is embedded in there, so I'm not going to put ink on that because I'm just going to use that as a background piece. I hope that makes sense. So for now, I'm just going to pop this here, and I'm kind of eyeballing what the center would be. So I'm going to put this on here, and then I'm going to do my inking in a way that, let me get this up here. Hopefully that will be okay. You know what? Actually, I'm going to use the smaller magnets. Yeah, so I'm gonna ink it up so I don't get the little pineapple on there. How cute. And so I'm using a hybrid ink, even though I know I'm gonna use alcohol ink markers, but for now I'm just gonna take a moment. So I'm just gonna take a little moment to just get on these other areas. So I'll be right back because I know it's gonna take me a little second just to make sure I don't get the pineapple, okay? I'll be right back. Kind of see through here and I can see that I did not touch the pineapple, and so I am going to just stamp that. I might have to stamp it a couple times just depending on how nice and dark it comes out this first time. So let's see. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna ink it up again and then just get this center area. Make sure I have that. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna remove that. And again, just so I didn't have the little pineapple, so I'm not gonna cut it out. So I just did that, and then I'm going to take a scrap piece of paper, or you know what? Let's get this guy. And I'm going to stamp some of the little leaves all around this top area, but I want to stamp them out to look more organic, so I'm going to do that. Did I say that's a feather? I don't know. It seems like a feather, but I guess you could use that as a leaf too. Whatever it is you like. But I'm going to take this little palm one. So cute. And let's see. See how big this guy is. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take a couple different green inks, and I'm just going to do a little inking up here on the top. And this is the first time I use this little guy, but I think it'll be okay. And I'm just going to come in and stamp in a way that's just kind of playful off the edge there, maybe over here. So I'm just going to come in and just ink and stamp just in this top area. And then I'll take like this dark green, same kind of thing, just be a little organic about it, okay? So I'll be right back. I'm just going to fill in this top area. So this is just our little background piece for now. I'll color that in just a minute. I'm just going to stamp out a couple little characters. And let's see here. Let me use this little guy. We'll get this little guy. So cute. And maybe one of the little drinks. So I'm just going to stamp these guys with, again, some alcohol ink or hybrid ink inks. And I'll be right back. So I'm just going to take a little minute to color my little items in. And, you know, a lot of green in this one. So I did pick out a lighter color for like his little belly area. So I have these Nouveau colors, white grape and desert sage. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and just kind of put a little bit of this darker color here. Not too much, again, just these little guys. So I'm just going to do that and then bring that out with the white grape. And I'll probably do the same for his little legs, a little something different green for his shell. For his little hat, I have this neutral color because I want it to be a little bit light. So I have neutral light, neutral medium, and neutral dark. And just to make it look like a straw hat. And again, just leaving a little area not colored for now. Maybe his little band might be a little different color. Get some of that dark in there. A little bit of the medium color in there. And then I'll blend it back through with the light. Again, with these little guys, it doesn't take a lot of color to just get it done. Look how cute. And then my little drinks. Color his little face. This guy, I think I'm going to do mostly everything brown, so I do have chocolate medium and chocolate light, just a brown color. And you know, I like to kind of just leave the middle section open, maybe something in here, and then I'll go in with a little bit of the medium color just in these areas here. And then the green, I'll do like the just like I color in leaves. So just a little bit of green coming back through with that light color. I'll color this whole bottom part also in the browns. And then with green, I have a light and a dark green. So I just kind of come in here and just add a little bit of color. I'm not really following each little leaf. And then I'll bring in some of the dark color, maybe towards the top in here. And then I'll blend it all back through, excuse me, with the lighter green. And I'm just adding little flecks of color here and there. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, so there's my little card base. We have our little guy. And so all I'm going to do is cut out our character and his little drink. And really easy just to kind of see through what we're doing right here. And tape that down, cut it out, and our little drink. And I will be right back. In the meantime, I'm also going to trim this down a little bit. So I didn't know if I was going to use a die or just cut it, but I'm going to cut it down. So right now it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So I'm going to cut it to probably 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Well, you know what? No, let's do 4 by 5 1/4. I'll do 4 by 5 1/4 because I'm going to do another glittery matte layer. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have our little characters here. I probably should have removed that. And a little sweetie. So cute. My little drink. Let's see if I can pop this out. There we go. Look at that. And then we have our background. Again, I trimmed it down to 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have this glittery blue paper that is just gorgeous. If you want to take this whole center out, because basically I'm going to cover up all of it and you can use it for something else, go for it. And then I have a standard A2 size card base, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I'm just going to pop these on here. And before I do that, though, to finish this guy up, I'm going to stamp my sentiment. And I'm going to put here, today gone to Maui, with some blue ink. So let me grab my stamp positioner just in case I don't get it quite right the first time. But generally with sentiments, I usually just stamp it and it's good to go. But I'm going to put a little tape there, and a little something here, a little something there. I like to just load it up with magnets. I don't know. Okay. And so I'll put this down here. And I'm just eyeballing the placement. That looks good to me. Pick that up right quick. And I'm going to stamp it with this beautiful Bali blue. Just inking it up here, sorry. Nice firm stamp because they are photopolymer stamps, and I like the way it look. I don't know if you see how I kind of modeled it and then I kind of did like a swish so with stamps. Sometimes if you go across like that, it'll leave like a streak and it looks really cool, or you can just pounce and get a little mottled look, or if you want it more smooth, you just do it again and then stamp it again and it'll look more smooth the next time. But I like this kind of fun watery kind of look. So all I'm going to do right now real quick is just glue these layers down, glue that one down, glue this one on top, and I'll be right back. So there's our card base, and I put some little dimensionals in the back of my little guy, and I remember to do that while I was off camera. So I'll put him like right there, and let's add our little drink, and you can pop that up too if you like. Ooh, several drinks. Anyhow, thank you so much, LDRS Creative, for sending this for my review. And, you know, I didn't mention at the very top, but this is available on their site. I know a lot of times people are familiar with them being on HSN, but this is for LDRS Creative's site, so the link will go to their website. And thanks for watching, guys. Sweet little card. Oh, look at that. I'll have the links in the description box. I'll have the images coming up, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.